You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
Hey everybody, you guys ready for some more math? I hope so. Take out page 15. It looks like this. 15, página 15. Okay, there you go. Now let's take a look at this together. Right up here at the top, they want you to count by ones again. So, here's 52. What number comes before 52? Well, 51, 51. And then 50, 50, 49, 49, 48, 40, and go like that, okay? And then what comes after 52? 53. Then 50, okay, like that. All right? Now, once again, we have a number, and they want you to circle the number in the ones place. You guys remember where the ones is? It's this number all the way at the end. The number at the end is the number at the ones, okay? So in all 6 of these, the number at the end is the number in the ones. So 89, let's go with this one here, 66. 66, okay? If we added 1, what number would it be? It would be 67, because you go up 1. If we added 10, then this number would go up. It would be 76. Okay? So we're looking at the ones in the ones. In all of these, we're in the ones, and the number in the ones is always the last number. El último número. So in 89, which number is in the ones? The 9. In 66, which number is in the ones? The 6 at the end. In 57, which number is in the ones? The 1 at the end. Okay, it's always this one. Okay. And in this here, they want you to circle the number in the tens. Which number is in the tens? Well, if this one is the ones, the one next to it is the tens. Okay? So, in 72, which one is the tens? The 7. In 29, which number is the tens? The 2. In 53, which number is in the tens? The 5. Okay? Okay. And just keep on doing that. Okay, then we have some summas. You guys can do the summas. You don't need my help for that. But then we have another summa down here at the bottom. It says, Stephen caught 1 fish on Friday. He caught 4 fish on Saturday. So how many fish does Stephen catch altogether? ¿Cuántos? Okay, so él tiene un pez en viernes y 4 peces en sábado. ¿Cuántos peces en total? So, you draw, how many fish did he have on Friday? ¿Cuántos en viernes? 1. Uno. So draw 1 fish here. How many fish on Saturday? ¿Cuántos en sábado? 4. So put 4 fish here. And if you have 1 fish plus 4 fish, how many fish is that? 1 and 4 makes 5. 5 fish. Okay, so put a 5 there. We're done with that. Turn the paper over here. And we see some balloons, some globos. Now here, these balloons are all in groups of 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. They're in the tens. And these are just 1 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many balloons are there? There's 50 here and 7 here, so there's 57. See how that works? Okay. Here, we have some centavos. Now, we haven't learned what these here are yet, but that's okay. We don't have to, because it says that they're in the tens. So just like these, every one of these is 10 balloons, every one of these is 10 centavos. So if we have 3 tens, how many is that? 10, 20, 30. We have 30 tens. Okay, do you see how this works? Now we're going to step it up a notch. Now we're going to bring in the hundreds. That's the next one up. See this here? It says we have hundreds. So we have a 1 in the hundreds place, a 4 in the tens place, and a 3 in the ones place. So we have a 1, 4, and a 3. So how much is that? It's 143. Do you see how that works? Okay, it's very easy. If you're still having trouble, you're thinking about it a little too hard. I'll put those up again. We had a 1 here in the hundreds, a 4 in the tens, and a 3 in the ones. We had a 1, 4, 3. So how was it all together? Boop. 143. Okay. Now here we have a 2 in the hundreds, a 9 in the tens, and a 7 in the ones. So how much is that? 297. Okay. Do you see how that works? Remember, if you don't understand this, you can always rewind, go backwards on this video, and see this again. And if you're still not understanding this, you can always send me a message on WhatsApp, and maybe if you're really, really nice, I will do another video to try to explain this a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to read out some numbers. And on this part here, I want you to write down those numbers. Okay, are you ready? Here's the first number. I will say it twice in English and once in Spanish. Are you ready? The first number is 17. 17. 17. The second number, 41. 41. 41. 41. The third number, 29. 29. 29. The fourth number, 136. 136. 136. And the fifth number, 99. 99. 99. Okay? All right, let's go on to this part here, which it tells us about these people who are there having some lunch. But let's see what excuse me for just a second. Okay, I'm back. Miss Susan had to tell me something. All right, so here we have our kids that are on a picnic. They're eating lunch. Okay? So, here we have, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That tells us how many of everything there is. So, how many sandwiches are there? Oh, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3, so we put 3 down here. How many juice boxes? Well, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put a 6 here. Then it wants to know how many apples and cookies all together. ¿Cuántos en total? So if we have 1, 2 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here, what's 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 y 4 son 6. So, there you go. And remember, if you need to go back and look at something on this video, you can. That's here for you. And when you're done with this paper, we can put that aside, and we can go on to our English.